Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a detailed, practical guide on how to use ODIS Service for VAG vehicles. This is a dealer-level diagnostic software widely used for diagnosis, basic settings, adaptations, coding, and programming. Let's start by understanding the main icons and indicators in the ODIS Service interface. First, the system reads the vehicle VIN automatically. Vehicle voltage status. Here you can monitor the vehicle battery voltage in real time. Key status. This icon shows the ignition and key status of the vehicle. Device connection status. Diagnosis. Diagnosis mode allows you to scan and work with all control modules. Self-diagnosis. Self-diagnosis is used when you want to work with a specific control unit only. Admin. Admin is where you can access system settings and configuration options. Before starting, we need to select the diagnostic interface. Make sure the correct interface is selected so ODIS can communicate properly with the vehicle. Now, let's perform a full vehicle diagnosis. ODIS will communicate with all control modules and retrieve fault codes. This step gives us a complete overview of the vehicle's system status. After diagnosis, it's highly recommended to save the diagnostic data. This allows you to review fault codes later or share the report with customers. Next, we'll clear the transmission fault codes. ODIS also supports active tests. This allows technicians to activate components directly and verify their operation. Besides diagnosis, ODIS Service also supports advanced functions. First, we start with basic settings to initialize and reset the system parameters. Next, we move to coding, where we adjust the control unit configuration according to the vehicle specification. Finally, we perform adaptation to teach and store the new values, ensuring the system works correctly after coding. If you're new to ODIS or want a structured way to learn these functions step by step, using proper learning material is extremely important. All the ODIS service workflows shown in this video are explained in detail in our VAG Diagnostic Guidebook. Many technicians use this book as a practical reference for real diagnostic and coding jobs. If you need more information about the book or support with VAG diagnostic jobs, feel free to contact us via the information in the bio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more real diagnostic and coding tutorials.